What's the meaning of all clear? All clear. All clear. All clear. All clear. All clear.
All clear is a phrase used to indicate that a situation or environment is safe and free from danger. This term is commonly used in emergency situations such as during natural disasters, war, or other crises where there is a threat to safety. The all clear signifies that the threat has passed, and people can now return to their normal routine or activities. It is often announced by authorities or emergency responders when they have assessed the situation and determined that it is safe for the public.